Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some important MCQs for Biology CUT. Let's begin. The first question is, the period from birth to the natural death of an organism signifies option A, reproductive phase, option B, life cycle, option C, lifespan, or option D, lifestyle. The correct answer is option C, lifespan. Moving to the next question. Clone is the product of option A, sexual reproduction, option B, sexual or asexual reproduction, option C, amphimixis, or option D, asexual reproduction. The correct answer is option D, asexual reproduction. Moving to the next question. In monarchs and protists, sexual reproduction takes place by option A, budding, option B, multiple fission, option C, binary fission, or option D, amphimixis. The correct answer is option C, binary fission. Moving to the next question. In animal and other simple organism, uniparental reproduction is called dash, reproduction in plant called dash reproduction. Option A, vegetative and asexual, option B, asexual and vegetative, option C, parthenogenetic or amphibitic, or option D, amphimictic or apomatic. The correct answer is option B, asexual or vegetative reproduction. Moving to the next question. Which one of the following is not vegetative propagule? Option A, rhizome and sucker, option B, tuber and offset, option C, bulbil, leaf buds and bulb, or option D, antherzoid. The correct answer is option D, antherzoid. Moving to the next question. Ostrich cycle is seen in option A, cows and sheep, option B, rats and deers, option C, dogs and tiger, or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Moving to the next question. Which of the following plant exhibit unusual flowering phenomena? Option A, mango and lychee, option B, mango and maize, option C, lychee and pea, or option D, bamboo species and Strobila thus species. The correct answer is option D, bamboo species and Strobila thus species. Moving to the next question. Which of the following plant do not show clear vegetative, reproductive and senescent phase? Option A, perennial plants, option B, annual plant, option C, biennial plants, or option D, either B or C. The correct answer is option A, perennial plants. Moving to the next question. The fastest method to obtain clones is through option A, induced mutation, option B, parasexual hybridization, option C, parthenogenesis, or option D, vegetative reproduction. The correct answer is option D, vegetative reproduction. Moving to the next question. Internal fertilization occurs in option A, many fungi, option B, reptiles and mammals, option C, bryophytes, pedriophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms, or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Moving to the next question. In heterogamous organism, the male gametes and female gametes are called respectively option A, spermatognia and oogonia. Option B, spermatid and ootid. Option C, sperm and ovum. Or option D, sperm and oospore. The correct answer is option C, sperm and ovum. Moving to the next question. In which of the following water is essential for fertilization? Option A, algae. Option B, bryophytes. Option C, petrifites. Or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Moving to the next question. In majority of organisms, male gamete is dash and female gamete is dash. Option A, motile and motile. Option B, non-motile and non-motile. Option C, non-motile or motile. Or option D, motile and non-motile. The correct answer is option D, motile and non-motile. Moving to the next question. Offspring of oviparous animals are at a greater risk as compared to offspring of various animals because option A, proper embryonic care and protection is lesser. Option B, embryo is not developed. Option C, progenies are with more variation. Or option D, progenies are larger. The correct answer is option A, proper embryonic care and protection is lesser. Moving to the next question. Which of the following statement is true about water hyken? Option A, it gives product to be used in medicine. Option B, it is a marine plant. Option C, it takes oxygen from water which causes death of fishes. Or option D, it is being cultivated in seawater for biogas. The correct answer is option C, it takes oxygen from water which causes death of fishes. Moving to the next question. Zoospores are option A, motile gametes of Chlamydomonas. Option B, non-motile gametes of sponges. Option C, motile gametes of Hydra. Or option D, non-motile gametes of Penicillium. The correct answer is option A, motile gametes of Chlamydomonas. Moving to the next question. Sexual reproductive structures found in Penicillium are option A, conidia. Option B, birds. Option C, gemmules. Or option D, zoospore. The correct answer is option A, conidia. Moving to the next question. Gemmule formation is a common mode of reproduction in option A, Hydra. Option B, sponge. Option C, Penicillium. Or option D, amoeba. The correct answer is option B, sponge. Moving to the next question. Strobila the Cycanthia is also called option A, Neela Kuranji. Option B, Pila Kuranji. Option C, Hara Kuranji. Or option D, Kala Kuranji. The correct answer is option A, Neela Kuranji. Moving to the next question. Osteocycle is cyclic change in the activities of ovaries and accessory duct in non-primates during option A, reproductive period. Option B, maturation period. Option C, aging period. Or option D, juvenile period. The correct answer is option A, reproductive period. Moving to the next question. Name the type of gametes found in algae. Option A, homogametous. Option B, heterogametous. Option C, anisogametous. Or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Moving to the next question. Under a heterogametic condition, male gamete is commonly known as option A antherozoid, option B sperm, option C egg, or option D both A and B. The correct answer is option D both A and B. Moving to the next question. The condition wherein male and female parts are present on variable plant is called option A heterothallic, option B dioecious, option C unisexual, or option D all of these. The correct answer is option D all of these. Moving to the next question. The condition wherein both male and female reproductive organs are found on the identical plant is called option A unisexual, option B bisexual, option C monoecious, or option D both B and C. The correct answer is option D both B and C. Moving to the next question. Which one of the succeeding is hermaphrodite? Option A ant, option B aphids, option C earthworm, or option D cockroach. The correct answer is option C earthworm. Moving to the next question. Which of the following statement regarding pollination is accurate? Option A mostly occur in dioecious plants, option B facilitates pollen transfer to stigma, option B both A and B, or option D none of these. The correct answer is option C both A and B. Moving to the next question. Parthenogenesis is the process wherein new organism is formed. Option A with fertilization, option B without fertilization, option C through mitosis, or option D through meiosis. The correct answer is option B without fertilization. Moving to the next question. Probability of survival of young ones are greater in the case of dash individuals. Option A oviparous, option B viviparous, option C oviviparous, or option D none of these. The correct answer is option B viviparous. Moving to the next question. The terminal structure of stamen is called option A pollen, option B filament, option C anther, or option D all of these. The correct answer is option C anther. Moving to the next question. The lengthwise running groove on an anther which separate theca is called option A rupture line, option B line of dehiscence, option C suture of anther, or option D none of these. The correct answer is option B line of dehiscence. Moving to the next question. Number of microsporangia in angiosperm anther is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, or option D 4. The correct answer is option D 4. Moving to the next question. Microsporangium develops into option A pollens, option B microgametes, option C megagametes, or option D pollen sac. The correct answer is option D, pollen sac. Moving to the next question. The innermost layer of microsporangium is option A, tapetum, option B, endothecium, option C, middle layer, or option D, epidermis. The correct answer is option A, tapetum. Moving to the next question. Center of each microsporangium is occupied by option A, sporogenous tissue, option B, tapetum, option C, central tissue, or option D, microspore mother cell. The correct answer is option A, sporogenous tissue. Moving to the next question. Which of the following perform microsporogenesis? Option A, microspore mother cell, option B, pollen mother cell, option C, both A and B, or option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Moving to the next question. Microspore tetrad pollen grains is a result of option A, mitotic cell division, option B, meiotic cell division, option C, both A and B, or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, meiotic cell division. Moving to the next question. Intine is made of option A, cellulose, option B, pectin, option C, both A and B, or option D, protein. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Moving to the next question. Which cell is bigger and have abundant food reserve material during macrosporogenesis? Option A, generative cell, option B, vegetative cell, option C, vacuole, or option D, spore mother cell. The correct answer is option B, vegetative cell. Moving to the next question. 60% of the angiosperms shed their pollens at the option A, 2-cell stage, option B, 3-cell stage, option C, 4-cell stage, or option D, 1-cell stage. The correct answer is option A, 2-cell stage. Moving to the next question. Function of filiform apparatus is to option A, recognize the suitable pollinate stigma, option B, stimulate division of generative cell, option C, produce nectar, or option D, guide the entry of pollen tube. The correct answer is option D, guide the entry of pollen tube. Moving to the next question. Pollens are stored at which temperature? Option A, minus 190 degrees Celsius, option B, 196 degrees Celsius, option C, 10 degrees Celsius, or option D, 0 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option A, minus 196 degrees Celsius. Moving to the next question. Embryo sac is also called option A, female gametes, option B, cynogrids, option C, female gametophyte, or option D, egg of angiosperm. The correct answer is option C, female gametophyte. Moving to the next question. Each cell of sporogenous tissue is anther is option A, microspore, option B, pollen, Option C, potential pollen or microspore mother cell, or option D, megaspore mother cell. The correct answer is option C, potential pollen or microspore mother cell. Moving to the next question. Two nuclei with one cell are found in option A, antipodal cell, option B, Chalazal cell, option C, central cell, or option D, synagogue cell. The correct answer is option C, central cell. Moving to the next question. The most common abiotic pollinating agency in flowering plant is option A, water, option B, wind, option C, both A and B, or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, wind. Moving to the next question. Advantage of cleistogamy is option A, higher genetic variability, option B, more vigorous of offspring, option C, no dependence on pollinators, or option D, vivipary. The correct answer is option C, no dependence of pollinators. Moving to the next question. Characteristics of wind pollinated pollen is they are option A, non-sticky, option B, light, option C, large number in production, or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Moving to the next question. Continued self-pollination results in option A, increasing depression, option B, outbreeding depression, option C, hybrid vigor, or option D, better result in offsprings. The correct answer is option A, inbreeding depression. Moving to the next question. Polar nuclei are in option A, pollen tube, option B, embryo sac, option C, ovule, or option D, thalamus. The correct answer is option B, embryo sac. Moving to the next question. Generally, pollen tubes enter through option A, micropylar region, option B, antipodal region, option C, chalazal and, or option D, nuclear region. The correct answer is option A, micropylar region. Moving to the next question. PEC, primary endosperm spell, is formed option A, after triple fusion, option B, before triple fusion, option C, at the time of zygamy, or option D, always persisted. The correct answer is option A, after triple fusion. Moving to the next question. Gametogenesis is haploid plants involves option A, binary fission, option B, meiosis, option C, mitosis, or option D, amitosis. The correct answer is option C, mitosis. Moving to the next question. In angiosperm, pollen tube libellate their male gametes into the option A, central cell, option B, antipodal cell, option C, egg cell, or option D, synagogues. The correct answer is option D, synagogues. Moving to the next question. Out of the following, choose the post-fertilization event. Option A, endospermogenesis. Option B, embryogenesis. Option C, both A and B. Or option D, organogenesis. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Moving to the next question. Perisperm is option A, outer part of embryo sac. Option B, degenerate synergate. Option C, degenerate secondary nucleus. Or option D, remains of nucleus. The correct answer is option D, remains of nucellus. Moving to the next question. Function of suspensor in embryo is option A, absorption of nourishment. Option B, push the embryo into nutrient endosperm region. Option C, formation of secondary embryo. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, push the embryo into the nutritive endosperm region. Moving to the next question. An ovule has generally how many embryo sac? Option A, 1. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Or option D, 8. The correct answer is option A, 1. Moving to the next question. This of the following devices is not used by plants to prevent autogamy. Option A, self-incompatibility. Option B, production of unisexual flower. Option C, heterostyle. Or option D, production of cleistogamous flowers. The correct answer is option D, production of cleistogamous flowers. Moving to the next question. Which is not diploid? Option A, nucellus. Option B, integuments. Option C, endosperm. Or option D, embryo. The correct answer is option C, endosperm. Moving to the next question. Maturation of stigma and another at different time in the same flower is option A, heterostyle. Option B, dichogamy. Option C, dichlenny. Or option D, hercogamy. The correct answer is option B, dichogamy. Moving to the next question. Movement of pollen tubes towards embryo sac is option A, thermotactic. Option B, phototactic. Option C, chemotactic. Or option D, thigmotactic. The correct answer is option C, chemotactic. Moving to the next question. Type of cell division takes place in apomixis in option A, reductional. Option B, meiosis. Option C, both A and B. Or option D, mitosis. The correct answer is option D, mitosis. Moving to the next question. Occurrence of more than one embryo is called option A, polyembryony. Option B, embryony. Option C, parthenogenesis. Or option D, fertilization. The correct answer is option A, polyembryony. Moving to the next question. Germ pore in the area where exine is option A, thick. Option B, thick and uniform. Option C, uniform. Or option D, absent. The correct answer is option D, absent. Moving to the next question. pollen kit is formed from option A endothecium, option B middle layer, option C microspore mother cell, or option D tapetum. The correct answer is option D tapetum. Moving to the next question. Remnants of nucellus present in seed are called option A pericarp, option B periderm, option C endosperm, or option D perisperm. The correct answer is option D perisperm. Moving to the next question. Secondary sexual characters in females are due to option A estrogens, option B androgens, option C progesterone, or option D cholecystokinin. The correct answer is option A estrogens. Moving to the next question. Sperms are produced in option A vas deferens, option B prostate gland, option C interstitial cells, option D seminiferous tubules. The correct answer is option D seminiferous tubules. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is found in the interstitial connective tissue of testis? Option A Sertoli cells, option B sustensular cells, option C Leydig cells, or option D chromaffin cells. The correct answer is option C Leydig cells. Moving to the next question. Location of Leydig cells and the secretions are option A ovary estrogen, option B liver cholesterol, option C testis testosterone, or option D pancreas glucagon. The correct answer is option C testis testosterone. Moving to the next question. Sertoli cells are found in testes. These cells are option A nurse cells, option B reproductive cells, option C receptor cells, or option D none of these. The correct answer is option A nurse cells. Moving to the next question. Read testis opens to option A urethra, option B vasa efferentia, option C Bidder's canal, or option D chorda epididymis. The correct answer is option B vasa efferentia. Moving to the next question. Which gland in mammal makes alkaline secretion for lubrication? Option A testis, option B pineal body, option C prostate gland, or option D Cowper's gland. The correct answer is option D Cowper's gland. Moving to the next question. Seminal fluid has a pH of about option A 6.0, option B 7.4, option C 8.5, or option D 9.0. The correct answer is option B 7.4. Moving to the next question. Graafian follicle possesses option A theca externa, option B granulosa, option C theca interna, or option D all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Moving to the next question. The release of mature ovum from Gefion follicle is known as option A, oogenesis, option B, oviparity, option C, ovulation, or option D, oviposition. The correct answer is option C, ovulation. Moving to the next question. When is progesterone secreted? Option A, after ovulation, option B, after parturition, option C, before ovulation, or option D, at the time of parturition. The correct answer is option A, after ovulation. Moving to the next question. Labia majora of a female mammal is homologous to option A, scrotal sac, option B, epidermis, option C, prostate gland, or option D, seminal vesicle. The correct answer is option A, scrotal sac. Moving to the next question. Number of spermatozoa produced by a single primary spermatocyte during spermatogenesis is option A, 1, option B, 2, option C, 4, or option D, 8. The correct answer is option C, 4. Moving to the next question. The head of sperm consists of option A, nucleus, option B, acrosome, option C, mitochondria, or option D, acrosome and nucleus. The correct answer is option D, acrosome and nucleus. Moving to the next question. The lytic enzyme released by sperm is option A, ligase, option B, acrosome, option C, androgemon, or option D, hyaluronidase. The correct answer is option D, hyaluronidase. Moving to the next question. Oogenesis comprises option A, maturation phase, option B, growth phase, option C, multiplication phase, or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Moving to the next question. First polar body is formed at which stage of oogenesis? Option A, first meiosis, option B, second mitosis, option C, first mitosis, or option D, differentiation. The correct answer is option A, first meiosis. Moving to the next question. In which phase of cell division is oocyte arrested? Option A, interphase, option B, prophase 1, option C, anaphase 2, or option D, both prophase 1 and 2. The correct answer is option B, prophase 1. Moving to the next question. Which one of the following is haploid? Option A, oogonia, option C, primary oocyte, option C, secondary oocyte, or option D, primary spermatocyte. The correct answer is option C, secondary oocyte. Moving to the next question. In the human female, menstruation can be deferred by the administration of option A, LH only, option B, FSH only, Option C, combination of FSH and LH. Or option D, combination of estrogen and progesterone. The correct answer is option D, combination of estrogen and progesterone. Moving to the next question. Which of the following hormones is active during proliferative phase of menstrual cycle? Option A, estrogen. Option B, progesterone. Option C, testosterone. Or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option A, estrogen. Moving to the next question. Ovulation in females is under the control of option A, LTH. Option B, ADH and LH. Option C, FSH and LH. Or option D, LTH and TSH. The correct answer is option C, FSH and LH. Moving to the next question. Shortest phase in the menstruation cycle of women is option A, menses. Option B, luteal phase. Option C, follicular phase. Or option D, ovulatory phase. The correct answer is option D, ovulatory phase. Moving to the next question. Which hormone level reaches peak during luteal phase of menstrual cycle? Option A, estrogen. Option B, progesterone. Option C, luteinizing hormone. Or option D, follicle stimulating hormone. The correct answer is option B, progesterone. Moving to the next question. Cessation of menstrual cycle is termed as option A, menarche. Option B, menopause. Option C, impotency. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, menopause. Moving to the next question. Maturation of sperm before penetration of ovum is called option A, ovulation. Option B, spermatid. Option C, capacitation. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, capacitation. Moving to the next question. Fertilization of sperm and ovum takes place in option A, ampulla of oviduct. Option B, isthmus of oviduct. Option C, fimbriae of oviduct. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, ampulla of oviduct. Moving to the next question. The embryo at 16th cell stage is known as option A, morula. Option B, gastrula. Option C, blastula. Or option D, blastomere. The correct answer is option A, morula. Moving to the next question. Which germ layer develops first during embryonic development? Option A, ectoderm. Option B, mesoderm. Option C, endoderm. Or option D, both B and C. The correct answer is option C, endoderm. Moving to the next question. A mammalian blastula is called option A, embryo. Option B, blastocyst. Option C, trophoderm. Or option D, blastomere. The correct answer is option B, blastocyst. Moving to the next question. The attachment and development of embryo inside uterus is called Option A, gestation. Option B, conception. Option C, impregnation. Or option D, implantation. The correct answer is option D, implantation. Moving to the next question. First or free milk is called. Option A, rostrum. Option B, colostrum. Option C, cholesterol. Or option D, baby's milk. The correct answer is option B, colostrum. Moving to the next question. In human cleavage, divisions are. Option A, fast and synchronous. Option B, slow and synchronous. Option C, fast and asynchronous. Or option D, slow and asynchronous. The correct answer is option D, slow and asynchronous. Moving to the next question. Which one of the following is initiated by secretion of trophoblast? Option A, cleavage. Option B, blastulation. Option C, gastrulation. Or option D, implantation. The correct answer is option D, implantation. Moving to the next question. Reproductive health is well-being of. Option A, physical aspects. Option B, emotional and behavioral aspects. Option C, social aspects. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Moving to the next question. Indicators of the improved reproductive health of the society are. Option A, better detection and cure of STDs. Option B, improved medical facilities. Option C, decreased maternal and infant mortality rates. Or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Moving to the next question. An ideal contraceptive should be. Option A, user friendly. Option B, reversible. Option C, both A and B. Or option D, increased sexual drive. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Moving to the next question. Natural methods of contraception are the natural ways to. Option A, increase spermicidal activity. Option B, prevent fertilization. Option C, decrease mortality. Or option D, increase mortality. The correct answer is option B, prevent fertilization. Moving to the next question. F1 progeny of a cross between pure tall and dwarf plant is always. Option A, tall. Option B, short. Option C, intermediate. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, tall. Moving to the next question. How did Mendel obtain recessive character in F2 generation? Option A, by self-pollinating F1. Option B, by self-pollinating F2. Option C, by cross-pollinating F1. Or option D, by cross-pollinating F2. The correct answer is option A, by self-pollinating F1. Moving to the next question. Both phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same in F2 generation in. Option A, codominance. Option B, incomplete dominance. Option C, outcross. Or option D, more than one option is correct. The correct answer is option D, more than one option is correct. Moving to the next question. Theoretically, in incomplete dominance, one allele functions as normal while another allele may function as option A, normal allele, option B, non-functional allele, option C, normal but less efficient allele, or option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Move to the next question. In a red and white flowered cross of Mirabilis jalapa, F2 generation has red, pink and white flowered plants in the ratio of option A 2:1:1, option B 1:1:2, option C 1:2:1, or option D 1:0:1. The correct answer is option A 2:1:1. Moving to the next question. Which Mendelian idea is depicted by a cross in which the F1 generation resembles both the parents? Option A, incomplete dominance. Option B, law of dominance. Option C, inheritance of one gene. Or option D, codominance. The correct answer is option D, codominance. Move to the next question. The character that is expressed in the F1 generation is called the option A, recessive character, option B, dominant character, option C, codominant character, or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, dominant character. Moving to the next question. If the genotype of an individual consists of only one type of genes at same locus, it is called option A, homozygous, option B, heterozygous, option C, monoallelic, or option D, uniallelic. The correct answer is option A, homozygous. Moving to the next question. A cross in which parents differ in a single pair of contrasting characters is called option A, monohybrid cross, option B, dihybrid cross, option C, trihybrid cross, or option D, tetrahybrid cross. The correct answer is option A, monohybrid cross. Moving to the next question. The genotypic ratio of a monohybrid cross in F2 generation is option A 3:1, option B 1:2:1, option C 2:1:1, or option D 9:3:3:1. The correct answer is option B 1:2:1. Moving to the next question. Graphical representation to calculate the probability of all possible genotype of an offspring in genetic cross is called option A, Punnett square, option B, Punnett square, option C, Morgan square, or option D, Mendel square. The correct answer is option B, Punnett square. Moving to the next question. The allele which expresses itself in both homozygous and heterozygous condition is called option A, dominant allele, option B, recessive allele, option C, incomplete dominant allele, or option D, split allele. The correct answer is option A, dominant allele. Moving to the next question. When there are more than two alleles controlling the same character, these are called option A, many alleles, option B, polyalleles, option C, multiple alleles, or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C, multiple alleles. Moving to the next question. Starch synthesis gene in pea plant is heterozygous condition produces starch grain of intermediate size. This shows option A, complete dominance, option B, incomplete dominance, option C, codominance, Or option D, none of these? The correct answer is option B, incomplete dominance. Move to the next question. Which process was used to study the independent assortment? Option A, monohybrid cross. Option B, dihybrid cross. Option C, trihybrid cross. Or option D, tetrahybrid cross. The correct answer is option B, dihybrid cross. Moving to the next question. Ratio observed in dihybrid cross. Option A, 3:1. Option B, 1:2:1. Option B, C, 9:7. Or is option D, 9:3:3:1. The correct answer is option D, 9:3:3:1. Moving to the next question. Multiple alleles control the character of. Option A, only skin color. Option B, only blood group. Option C, blood groups and skin color. Or option D, sickle cell. The correct answer is option B, only blood group. Moving to the next question. Who proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance? Option A, Sutton and Mendel. Option B, Boveri and Morgan. Option C, Morgan and Mendel. Or option D, Sutton and Boveri. The correct answer is option D, Sutton and Boveri. Moving to the next question. Morgan worked with any fruit fly named as. Option A, Drosophila melanogaster. Option B, Magnifera indica. Option C, Mirabilis jalapa. Or option D, Drosophila indica. The correct answer is option A, Drosophila melanogaster. Moving to the next question. How many linkage groups are present in human male? Option A, 24. Option B, 23. Option C, 46. Option D, 22. The correct answer is option A, 24. Move to the next question. In which state crossing over takes place? Option A, leptotene. Option B, cytokinesis. Option C, pectin. Or option D, dikinesis. The correct answer is option C, pectin. Move to the next question. Linkage reduce the frequency of. Option A, hybrids. Option B, all parental types. Option C, homozygous recessive plants. Or option D, heterozygous recessive parents. The correct answer is option B, hybrids. Move to the next question. Experimental evidences of chromosomal theory of inheritance was given by. Option A, H.T. Morgan. Option B, T.H. Morgan. Option C, Hugo de Vries. Or option D, de Vries. The correct answer is option B, T.H. Morgan. Moving to the next question. Linkage groups are always present on the. Option A, homologous chromosomes. Option B, analogous chromosomes. Option C, sex chromosomes. Or option D, heterologous chromosomes. The correct answer is option A, homologous chromosomes. For more such videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library. Thank you.